Today we will study and describe the changes on solid material when they bend, cut, press, and hammer.
So here's are the materials: paper clip, silver spoon, copper wire, soft plastic ruler, and rubber slipper. What happened to the materials when it bent? Paper clip. If the paper clip is bent, the paper clip will change its real position and it will be curved. So kapag yung kutsara po ay binend natin, ito ay magbabago sa ng anyo ng metal ng kutsara kapag ito ay nakayuko at ang kutsara ay tila baluktot. Kapag naman po binend natin yung copper wire, nabubuo ang isang inductor kapag ang isang wire ay nakabaluktot sa mga loop. Ang mga loop ng inductor po ay may epekto sa kapasidad na susunod na loop. Bilang isang resulta, kapag binaluktot mo ang wire, hindi po ito nagbabago. Kapag yung ruler po is nasobrahan po sa pagbend or naunat po masyado sa pagbibend natin na pinaikot po masyado, ito po ay maaaring maging malutong o masira at hindi na po ito mababalik sa dati. Slipper. The rubber slipper will be crooked but it will gradually return to its original position.
Sunod naman ay press. Press is what we call applying pressure to flatten and shape an object. If you will press the clay will mold the pen or texture that you use. However, as this is purely a physical process, no new substances are formed and the modeling clay can be brought back into its original form. So next is ripe banana. When you press the ripe banana, the physical appearance will change. So basically, ripe banana was soft and easy to deform whenever it is pressed on the level of force it received. So, dito naman sa pandesal bread, mapapansin mo kung saan mo lang siya pindutin o i-press, yun lang ang magpa-flat sa kanya. The physical change altered the size, shape, or texture of a solid substance, but no chemical reaction occurs. And the last one is eggshell. If you press the eggshell, it will go crack into pieces.
Empty tin can. If you hammered a solid substance like a tin can, it will flatten depending on which is denser. That is what referred to as deformation. So, nung pinukpok ko po yung block of wood, wala pong nangyari, hindi po siya nag-damage, walang crack or something. Empty plastic bottle. The bottle will be flattened and squashed. Charcoal. Because coal is not a malleable substance. When hammered, it simply split into pieces rather than being crushed into sheet like iron.
So this one are example of a piece of paper. If you will observe the shape of paper o ng papel ay mapapansin mong square siya. So using a sharp edge object tulad ng scissors ay titingnan natin kung anong mangyayari kapag kinat natin siya into pieces. Bale, from here mapapansin natin na nagbago yung size and shape ng papel because of cutting. Pero papel pa rin siya, hindi nagbago yung component niya. Ang sunod na solid material naman natin ay ang damit o ang old shirt. Again, na-observe ulit natin na yung damit ay size and shape lamang ulit ang nagbago. But still, damit pa rin siya. Dito naman sa candy wrapper, gagamit lang ulit tayo ng gunting upang ikat natin ang candy wrapper into pieces. But then, ganun lang ulit, size and shape lang ang nagbago sa kanya. At ang panghuli naman ay ang sanga at ang dahon. If you will be able to cut the twig leaves, you will see it become into different pieces.
Materials needed: bowl, 4 pieces, margarine cubes, 5 ice cubes, warm water in thermos flask, water in small bottle, small plastic. Pour water to a small bowl until half full and add 5 small ice cubes and 2 cubes of margarine. Wait for 20 minutes and observe what happened to the ice cubes, water, and margarine. So, hindi ko po nakuhaan ng video yung naobserbahan ko ng 20 minutes, pero nakita ko naman po na lobat po kasi yung phone ko that time. So, ito po yung resulta. Ito po yung kinalabasan ng ice cubes, water, and margarine. The margarine hardened but did not melt, while the water cooled due to the melted ice cube. So, yung margarine po is wala pong nagbago, hindi natunaw. Tumigas lang po siya, pero hindi po ganun katigas, sakto lang. Tapos po yung tubig is lumamig dahil po sa natunaw na yelo.
So here's the material that we will use: baking soda, plastic bottle, vinegar, small plastic funnel, and balloon. We will use the small plastic funnel to put the baking soda in the balloon. The next step is we were going to use the same small funnel of vinegar in the bottle. Place the bottle in a flat surface. After a minute, place the balloon on top of the bottle and being careful to spill the baking soda into the bottle yet. And last, tip the balloon upward to drop the baking soda into the vinegar. It creates a chemical reaction, blowing up the balloon. When baking soda and vinegar mix together, it creates gas called carbon dioxide. The gas began to expand in the bottle and start to inflate the balloon. The more gas that is created, the larger the balloon will inflate.